All right, welcome back to part 4 of how to build things in Blender. Today we're going to learn the Ctrl-R, the loop cut, and we're going to build a basic animal. One thing I failed to mention is if you don't know what I'm actually doing on the screen, you can see down here what the keystrokes are. So we talked about in episode 1 orbiting, so you can see I'm pushing down the middle mouse button. And in episode 2 we talked about editing. You can see, look at all those tabs. Anyway, let's build something. So we are going to turn this cube into a very lame animal of some sort, something with 4 legs and a head. And one of the new shortcut keys is the Ctrl-R. Hold down Control, tap R to make the loop cut. Now there's a few steps to this. You can see here there's this yellow loop that goes around my shape. If I put it on an edge, it's going to slice that edge. So in more detail, what that means is you can see here I've got 4 vertices on top. I've got 4 vertices on the bottom to make my cube. Once I select this, I now have 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. So it adds vertices and edges and in essence makes new faces. Okay, so that is the first step. There's multiple steps you can do, so I'm just going to slice this thing up a little bit. So there's another one. If I click on here, I can choose where my loop cut goes and slide it along. Okay, and I can put another one in, and if I use the wheel mouse, I can do multiple cuts if I want. So now we have a whole bunch of cuts on there, but this is not what I want for my animal, so we'll throw that away. So edit, cut down the middle like this, and let's grab all of them and scale it on the y-axis, no, on the x-axis. S to scale. We have that, like this, and loop cut through here, and another one through here. These are going to be the legs down here. Something like that. Okay. This is just so that I can select a few pieces like this and like this. Now I can extrude that out. Go sideways view. These are all things we've talked about already, so now we're in front orthographic. One thing I don't think we talked about was R to rotate. Maybe we did talk about it, I don't know. G to grab. This is going to be the neck of the animal. E to extrude, R to rotate, S to scale. It's going to be horrible. This is going to be a horrible looking animal. I'll make a better one later. Rotate it, E to extrude it, scale it up like that. It looks, I don't know, like a weird computer console, I guess. Another shortcut that becomes very useful later on is if I hold down the Alt button and click on there, it'll do a whole loop. See how it selected that entire loop, holding down the Alt button before I click. If I scale that up now, this can be, I don't know, some kind of animal head. I don't know what the heck this is. It's horrible. It's getting worse. Okay, so here, this is going to become the back legs. Oh no, what happened? I don't want that. Undo. So that one and that one. Did you see that last one? I had those selected too. So if I extrude that, it comes down. Extrude that, it comes down. This is a bizarre looking animal. Maybe it's a robot vacuum, so this little part goes down. Whatever. It's horrible. Anyway, here's the start of an animal. It's really bad. But our next video will make something better.